Hello, my dear friends. This is SK Booty here from Booty Aviation Training. Back with you for the next lesson. And I hope you have been using my lessons to upgrade your knowledge. And you are working hard towards a seat in the front here. God bless you and put in hard work. Now, you can visit my channel for the following playlists: navigation theory, numericals, math, technical. Subscribe to my channel and remain updated. And today's topic is theory questions from aircraft performance, as also runway declared distances. So here we are. The first set of questions, theory. And like I said, don't be in a hurry to look at the answers, which I'll give you at the end of this session. See these questions, fill in the blanks where necessary, select your answers. Take it easy, take your time. And then you can go to the next page. There are some more questions. Here they are. Question numbers 8 to 14. And these are the questions. Well, if you have your answers, and like I said, don't be in a hurry. Get your answers, and then let me take you to the page, next page for answers. And here they are. These are the answers to the questions on aircraft performance, takeoff performance, and the airfield declared distances, TORA, TODA, etc. If you have gone wrong somewhere, discuss it with your friends. Not happy? Come back to me in comments. And in any case, I will be looking forward to your comments so that I can improve my videos still further. And if you have benefited by watching this video, share it with your friends. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And there is a lot more coming up. Remain in touch with me. Press the bell icon and wait for the next video. It is bye-bye only till then. Good luck, all the best, and do keep sharing your examination experience with me. What are all the questions from my videos which benefited you in last exam? And would you like me to include some more? Give me a feedback. I shall be grateful. Thanks. Happy landings and see you in a few days with the next lesson.